Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Jamila and welcome back to my laboratory. So today I'm going to show you guys how to sublimate on the glitter chameleon cups that are available in my online shop now. I'll have everything you need in the description box below. Make sure you stick around to the end of the video so you can see what all the colors look like. And if you like the video and you learned something new, make sure you give me a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel.
Alright guys, to begin our tutorial, we're going to go ahead and start off in canva.com. And for this project, we'll be using a US letter document size, so that'll be 8.5 by 11. Once we enter our measurements and get to the screen, we'll go ahead and hit create a blank document. And I'm just going to go ahead and upload the images that I'll be using today from my upload bar. So now that I have my images, I realized that I need my paper in landscape. So I'm going to go up here to resize and type in 11 by 8.5. So I'm basically just turning the paper on its side, and I do that just because it's easier to design. So instead of typing 8.5 by 11 at the home screen, type in 11 by 8.5 in custom dimensions, okay? So now that we have that situated, we're going to go ahead over to the left toolbar and click elements, and then we're going to grab a shape. We're going to grab a square and use it as a template for our design, because my Tumblers designing space is about 9.5 by 8.5. So that is the size I'll make my square, and I'll just keep my design within those dimensions. And to get this stripe background, I just went to photos and typed in black and white stripes. I'm making both of my image sizes about 4.6 in width because I want them to be pretty big. And I'm just trying to center them so they'll be in the middle of the page. Once I'm happy with my design, I'll go ahead and to the top toolbar and hit download, save it as a PNG. Then I'll go to my printer preferences and change my orientation to landscape. Make sure I have letter size and premium presentation matte. Once I have everything printed, I'm just going to wrap my paper around my cup and then trim off the excess. And then I actually ended up trimming off a little too much of my paper, so I had to go back and try and fix my stripe right here. But so I'm just trying to line up my stripes as best as possible, and then I'm just going to use some heat tape to secure my paper in place. And the shrink wrap used in this video is also available in my shop, jstewartslaboratory.com. Once my design is taped on, I'm just going to insert it inside my shrink wrap and hover my heat gun over it until it starts to shrink and tighten around the cup. And I'm just going to do this until it's as smooth as possible and everything is nice and tight. And then I'll pop it in the oven at 375 degrees for about 3 minutes. Once my 3 minutes are up, I'll remove the cup. And this is the big reveal, you guys. Now, this is like the off-white glitter chameleon cup, and it is gorgeous. Even though my stripes didn't line up 100%, and when I was removing the cup from the oven, I touched the coil and burnt it, it's still cute. And these are the other colors I have. I just wanted to show you guys what they look like after they've been subbed on. And as always, guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And visit my website, jstewartslaboratory.com.